on them. Yo, blocks. Anywhere with that, where with that. Running more than I want me a sack. Mama said, Nahshon, set the top. Samurai, praise Gideon, where you sack. Yo, easy, anywhere with that, where with that. Boy, I talk tough, where you sack, where you sack. Send video, rim, samurai, praise Gideon, where you sack. Now we walk on, where you sack. Now we walk on, yo, energy. Send videos out and in not all hell broke loose when you say we combine. Now we walk on, where you sack. Now we walk on, yo, send videos out and in not all hell broke loose when you say we combine. Them a get them ammunition, allow them cap already. Body for my mommy, circle up and strap already. Me and the troops step on the scene, grim, loving warfare, never know one. At the ready, you know me never too business. If the boy a bag, if you this the 12 road boy, they a take me free one time, let me take out me head. Meditate, quiet down,
All right, y'all. Again, Lady Sarah, Sister Etna to my right, Sister Kata to my left. We have a line dance tutorial today to another Israelite song called
Anywhere we been.
All right, so the first step, super easy. You're just gonna step over to the right and move your shoulders, right? So the move is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's do that together, ladies. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, the next step, you're just gonna shuffle to the back, going to the right. So shuffle right. And you're gonna start off with your right foot, right? So shuffle. And then you're gonna actually use that left foot to go back the other way. So it's shuffle right, then shuffle left. So let's do that together. Let's do the shuffle going to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right, shuffle left. And so you're facing this way. You're gonna do the same thing going to the front. So shuffle right, shuffle left. Okay? All right, let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shuffle. Shuffle. Shuffle right, shuffle left. All right, the very next step, you're gonna take your right foot in front of you, take it out to the right and in the middle. So it's right, side, together. Okay, so front, side, together, clap. All right, and the next step from there, you're gonna step that right foot back out, cross it over, and turn. So let's start with the step forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, side, together, clap. Out, cross, turn. All right, and then you clap. All right. So from there, we actually are facing the back. And you are just gonna, I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the front. You're gonna step forward, step back, and front and back, and front and back. Right? So you're just kind of stepping in this front, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So we're gonna start with that, ladies. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, back, front, back, all right? And from there, what we do is we're gonna take we're still facing this way. I wanna show you what it looks like. You're gonna step your right foot forward, back, and you're gonna slide together. And then you're gonna actually step your left foot back, together, slide, together. And that's the end. So we're gonna actually do that facing this way. So we're gonna start with that right foot going forward, all right? 5, 6, 7, go. Right foot, slide, left foot, slide. All right. So the very last thing, we call this the Sister Kayla right here because she does this dance and it's amazing. I don't know if I got it down yet, but come on, Sister Kayla, show us how to do that part. Sister Kayla, hey. So that is the next dance, all right? So after we do right foot up, slide, left foot back, slide. Sister Kayla, hey. All right? And we're going to start from the very top, okay? So let's do that from the top. We're going to sit with the music. All right, 5, 6, 7, go. Right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, shuffle back, right, left, front, front, and front, side, together. Cross, turn, and front, back, front, right foot, slide, left foot, slide. Sister Kayla. Hey, get it. From the top, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, shuffle back. Left, right, left, and right. Side, together, clap, out, cross, turn, and left. Front, right, and front, and slide, and back, and slide, and freestyle, hey. All right, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Shalom.